What's going on, everyone? Today we are taking a look at the Mova K30 wet and dry vacuum. This is a 2-in-1 wet and dry vacuum that also has a built-in mop to clean your floors as well. Taking a look at some of the specs, this has a powerful suction power of 18,000 PA, a built-in mop with separate clean and dirty water tanks, smart automatic features, and is very lightweight at only 8.7 pounds. So taking a look at the vacuum itself, as you can see, most of it is white, but it also has some gold and black accents. Overall, definitely a very nice and modern looking vacuum. Coming to the back, you have a separate clean and dirty water tank. So your clean water is stored back here. All your dirty water will go down here. And as you can see, it does have a separation in the middle, and this separates your water from your debris that gets vacuumed up. Definitely very good to have that. I had another vacuum that clumped it all together, and it was just a real hassle to clean it, but this makes it a lot easier by separating everything for you. As you can see, the tanks are positioned toward the bottom, which lowers the center of gravity, making the vacuum easier to handle and maneuver as well. Coming to the top, you have a LED display which shows you real-time information on your cleaning progress, battery life, water levels, and more. These labels are on a sticker that's on top here, but I'm still getting familiar with the vacuum, so that's why I still have that on there. Looking at the modes, this has an ultra mode, turbo mode, and suction mode, and this also has a very convenient auto mode, which I'll be going over later in the video. Auto mode. As you just heard, this vacuum also has voice prompts, which not only tell you the current mode of the vacuum, but it'll automatically tell you when to add water, when to empty out the tank, and many other helpful things as well. Alright, so I ran a few tests to see how this vacuum performs. A lot of vacuum and mop combos struggle when it comes to vacuuming, but this one worked very well thanks to its 18,000 PA suction power, which is one of the highest on the market. This doesn't just vacuum and mop, but it can actually scrub and remove stubborn stains as well. The reason why it can do this is the mop is driven by a very powerful 13 RPM motor, which allows the roller to spin a whopping 500 times per minute. I tested this out by putting some ketchup on the floor and letting it dry for about 2 hours. And as you can see, it still cleaned this up, no problem at all. Compared to a regular mop, this makes cleaning a lot easier as you don't have to be hunched over and scrubbing the ground. Instead, you can simply relax and let the vacuum do all the work for you. I have kids, so one thing that's very common in my household is spilled cereal. Normally, this would be a 2-part job. You would have to sweep, then mop. But with this, you can do it all at once, which in the end is going to save you a lot of time and effort. And once again, as you can see, it cleaned this up very easily as well. This does have a self-cleaning mop, so unlike a regular mop, you're not just spreading around dirty water. Instead, this continuously cleans the mop head to apply fresh and clean water as you move. I really wanted to test the limits of this vacuum, so I actually put some leftover pasta on the floor and let it dry for a few hours. I wasn't sure how it'll do on this one, but without breaking a sweat, it also powered through and cleaned this no problem at all. Alright, so using the vacuum, I want to say this is definitely very easy to use. Similar to a lawnmower, this has built-in forward propulsion, so moving this around really takes no effort at all, and you can even grab it with one finger and still move it around very easily. As you can see, the bottom does swivel, which makes it very easy to move around, and it even lays completely flat, allowing you to clean under furniture or any other tight spaces as well. As I said earlier, this has a smart auto mode. On this mode, it'll detect the amount of dirt and mess it's cleaning, and based on that, it'll automatically adjust the suction power and water usage for you. Definitely a cool option to have, as you can just leave it on auto, clean the house, and not have to worry about adjusting any settings. Another feature I really like on this is its ability to clean all the way to the edge of the wall, and this does have dual edge cleaning, which allows you to clean walls or baseboards on either side of the vacuum. So when I got my first vacuum and mop combo, one thing I really hated was having to maintain it. Yes, I was saving time by not having to sweep and mop separately, but then I would have to take apart the machine and manually clean everything off, which honestly was a pretty time-consuming and tedious process. Because of this, machines like this one usually collected dust, but fortunately that is not the case with this one, as it does have a bunch of self-cleaning features. So whenever you're done cleaning, all you gotta do is put it back on the dock, press this button right here, and the machine will automatically enter its self-cleaning process. During this time, the roller will spin at high speed to remove any excess water, It'll also spin forward and backward to simulate manual scrubbing and get the best clean possible. And last but not least, the vacuum also has a scraper with comb teeth on it to automatically remove any hairs caught on the roller. Besides self-cleaning, this vacuum also has self-drying as well. This dries the roller for 30 minutes with hot air that is 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Aside from drying the mop, this will also prevent odors and bacteria growth as well. Last but not least, this has up to 30 minutes of battery life, which is enough to clean a house up to 2,600 square feet. It's unlikely anyone is going to be mopping for 30 minutes straight, so this is definitely more than enough battery. Keep in mind the vacuum is stored on the charging base, so charging is not something you ever have to worry about. Just put it on the base, and the next time you need to clean, it'll be topped off and ready to go. Overall, this is definitely a great wet and dry vacuum. It feels well made, it cleans much better than I expected, and best of all, it's also very affordable as well. So all in all, if you happen to be shopping for a mop and vacuum combo, I would highly recommend this one here, which again is the Mova K30. If you would like to purchase or get more information, I'll also have the link in the description as well. All right, well, that about wraps up this video. As usual, if you have any questions at all, feel free to drop me a comment and let me know. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and I'll see you all next time.